Welcome to Green and Glimmers. So in this video I'll show you how I cleaned chicken coop. And this is a mid-Atlantic region, so we get some snow, not a lot. So there was some snow a few days ago, but I let them chicken outside still. But we having a big snowstorm coming in. It'll be lots of snow, and I know that it'll be cold. So it'll be cold for days, and this chicken, even though chickens could survive through in very harsh cold and in snow, but the chickens are not very used to heavy snow, so I know that they wouldn't go outside, and it'll be really super cold for 2 weeks. So they will be mostly staying inside, so I needed to clean the chicken coop. So they have a fresh bed and they're comfortable inside, and I'm going to show you what are the process usually people do to take care of chickens. And the cleaning chicken coop is not easy, but you gotta do it. Here I'm showing how after cleaning all the old poops and old bedding, it is a very hard job. It took me almost hour and a half to clean it, and I was not going to show you the ugly part of the job. So I'll show you where I dumped the chicken, all the old bedding. So here is my vegetable garden, and I dumped in my vegetable bed. So I might not use this in next summer, so this might rest, so I dump here. So this would be nice compost. Here I opened up the wood shaving. So this is the medium size, so I sprayed it. I'll add later on a little more after a few days. So I let the chicken stay outside, so while I can do this cleaning part and making this bed, and I will open the door later on to have them come in. This is the medium flake that I use. Some people use the small flake, so that's be fine too. So I usually buy a few of them and pile up here, and I use them as so I'm very lucky to have this chicken coop. This is an almost 100 years old chicken coop. I already had this in the property, and it has a nice large window to let lots of sunlight. And I have a few. This is another section I store stuff. Now I added the water and the food, chicken feed bucket. So once I let open the door, they can come in and start eating them and drinking. So that's the door that to go outside in chicken run. So here they are outside. So the previous snow had melted and it's a little muddy, so it's not a good feeling. So in the future I need to do something so it's much more comfortable for them to come out, not muddy. Here I let the door open and they started to coming in for the fresh bed, and they really enjoy this new wood shaving and flakes. it's like a children playing in the in sand at a beach or something. So they really get excited and they take bath in there. They are really happy. This is the egg that I collected right before I cleaning the stuff. So this is the gifts they give me for taking care of them. So as you see, the next day after the snowstorm, so there's lots of snow on the ground, and here's my dog Monty is playing in the snow. This is Monty's first snow experience. He is 5 months old, just slightly over 5 months. So I'll make another video about him enjoying his first snowfalls. And this is the next day when snowed. They were here, and as you see that I saw those eggs in there.